Robocore gets Foxconn boost when robots meet big money. Picture this, you're 85, living in a nursing home, and suddenly your new best friend is a robot named Temi. Don't worry, it won't be trying to take over the world, it's too busy taking your blood pressure. Hong Kong-based Robocore just struck gold, or should I say, struck Foxconn. The electronics manufacturer giant has committed up to $30 million to help Robocore expand their adorable army of service robots into medical and elderly care markets. Now, before you start imagining Terminator-style scenarios, these Temi robots are more like helpful digital grandchildren. They're already working in over 200 nursing homes across New York State, helping doctors complete remote diagnosis in just 2 minutes. That's faster than most people can find their reading glasses. The secret sauce, these wheeled wanderers can roll up to patients equipped with medical sensors, allowing doctors to conduct virtual house calls without the house call. One trip to the hospital from a nursing home can cost up to $1,200 for just the ambulance ride. But Temi works for electricity and the occasional software update. Robocore isn't stopping at healthcare. Their robots are already moonlighting as hotel concierge, restaurant assistants, and even teaching aides in over 1,300 schools worldwide. Talk about career diversity. Foxconn manufacturing expertise behind them, Robocore expects to achieve a 5-fold revenue growth by 2028. They're planning an IPO before 2030, positioning themselves as a major player in the rapidly expanding service robotic market. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimise workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.